How to get PUK code without SIM-PAK. So we have two ways of doing this, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Okay, so the first one is that to get the PUK code without your SIM-PAK, you have to call the customer care. Okay, so the number to call the customer care is 100 for those on MTN. Okay, so you can call this number and then they are going to give you the PUK code directly. Okay, but if you don't want to call the customer care, we also have the other way that you can get your PUK code, and all that you have to do is to simply come and then dial this short code that I'm going to tell you. So all that you have to do is to simply dial this code, that is the star, and then locate the 1 and then come and press on the 1, and then come and press on the 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, then come and then press on the hashtag. So this is the code that you have to dial. Okay, so all that you have to do is simply come down here to where we have your SIM slot and then come and select where you have your SIM. Mine is on slot 1, so I'm going to dial that one. Okay, then simply come here and then come and then register for the self-service. Okay, so if you're on MTN, you have to register for it. I'm having a video showing you how to do it on my channel, so watch it. Then come and select option 1, then come and press on the send. Okay, then I simply come here and then come and then put in your code, the one that you choose when you were creating your account, and then come and then press on the send. After that, simply come here and then come and select option 4, which is the PUK, by simply pressing on the 4 here and then come and then press on the send. Okay, so the next thing I have to simply do is to simply come and then select for either self or for others. Okay, so if you are checking it for yourself, simply come and then select option 1 by pressing on the 1. After that, simply come down here to where you have the send and then come and press on the send. And then simply come here and then come and confirm by simply selecting the option 1, which is the confirm. So put in 1 here and then come and then press on the send. Okay, so you are going to receive this pop-up message which is indicating that they are going to send you your PUK code through SMS. Okay, so all that you have to do is to simply sit back, relax, and then wait for the code. If it does not come, you have no alternative than to go for the customer care one. Okay, so like the video and then see you in my next video.